be on your, oh, we got company right now. When Giovanna gets off. Where'd she go?
Right here.
She's up, her boy's here.
Yeah. Yep, she woke up, sat on the step. Usually when she sits on the step like that, she wants to play with something.
Aw.
Then eventually all the rest of them will come up around her. She'll get irritated with them and then walk over that way.
Close the Coralie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because Coralie will want pets, and you can only go so long when you're down there.
Yep.
And then she gets, it's like, alright, I'm out of here.
Yep. She's grabbed the toy before and actually walked me over to the door.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Well, you are her.
Yeah.
You are her sweetie, I know that.
Yeah, she likes to go back where the rest of them aren't. And then she'll sleep back there.
They're asking me to point out, because I keep walking into the toy. That's the ball for tonight.
Okay.
And if you pull on the string, they're afraid it's going to pull it.
Oh, okay.
Because that's kind of how it works.
Yeah.
And I think I walked into it like 4 times before. It's like, pay attention. Hurry. What exactly are you doing, Elaine? Miss Marilyn. Yes, I would not interrupt that process. Oh, is it fun? I'll do it if you want. I got it. Okay. I'll get the first one for 2020. Well, I see her, although she is in the great position for that.
I'm not going to be here at 1:20.
No, that's
You
what I
can
said.
be here. No, I won't be. Nobody. I'm going home
No, I said I'll get the next one.
at 1:20.
Around that, yeah.
Are you going to be here all night?
Could, well, not all night, but
Okay.
like I said, I'm up at home anyway, usually.
I'll scoop. You guys have been here, I'll scoop.
Well, I mean, because she's scooping me, all I'm saying for the next one before we're leaving. Okay. So, I mean, even if it's a little earlier, can't hurt. Oh, you know what, Miss Gail? The milking station is open. Hi, this is 2020. Mimi. Oh, yes, so we'll have to give her a few minutes then, Miss Gail. No, K-Lover, it hasn't happened till midnight, which I don't know where you are, but it's 11:15 or so here.
Kiara?
It depends on where they are, KB. If you're not paying attention to the clock, it could get easily confused. I'm here and I get confused. Rams, what exactly? You pulled this thing out. Did you want to play with it, or did you want to go in there? Because I know if you want to go in there, you can do that on your own. Is that what you want? No? Feel free to help yourself. I know you can.
Vernon, you look like a grump. What's the matter? Look at you.
His tux never showed up for tonight. I'm supposed to look super dapper tonight.
He said it's past my bedtime.
See what I mean? It's like I'm doing it. It's full. That's for the treats and she's going into the chimney. Are you good enough to be doing it?
we stuff all in there? I've never noticed it. Yeah, that's nice. So you're just making everybody